quick and easy short crust pastry. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Nosh. Welcome to the channel. Today we will make a lovely quiche pastry that you can use to make lovely quiches or any other filling inside, quick and easy to make a nice meal. We will need only 4 ingredients: 150 grams of normal all-purpose flour. You will need half a teaspoon of salt, 110 grams of soft butter or unsalted butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water. So now we're just going to mix everything together. Maybe better to use a whisk. And now we will transfer it onto the table. And combine it to a lovely dough. You can use a little bit extra flour if it sticks too much so it doesn't stick to your hand. And voila, your dough is ready. Let's just dust a little bit more flour on top and then we wrap it in some plastic wrap so that we can let it rest in the fridge. So you can either do this by hand or you can use a rolling pin. Nice square shape. Make sure a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. And then nicely tied up in plastic wrap. You can even leave this in the freezer, and whenever you feel like you need some of this pastry, you can take it out and use it immediately. So that's really handy to actually make, and you saw how easy it is. Voila, your quiche pastry is ready. You can put any kind of filling in. It's a really super easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.